This unit works as a vacuum, blower, and air compressor. The motor cleans dust or blows leaves away. Switching between functions is simple. The compressor fills car tires with 2 pressure options. Price starts at $2,900. This ramp lets you drive a car up without a jack and supports up to 8,000 pounds. It is made of plastic sections that lock together, about 14 inches wide and 180 inches long, lifting the car about 7 inches. Risk Racing Team has these utility jugs that won't break the bank. They come in 3 and 5 gallon sizes. There are 3 handles, which makes lifting, carrying, and pouring easier. Parking in your garage can be hard, but this little gadget makes it easy. It uses your garage door's safety beam. When your car blocks it, a laser dot lights up on the wall, showing exactly where to stop. It costs $29. Next system turns empty walls into organized storage. Plastic panels don't break when they're wet, so they work well in garages. Slots run across each panel to hold shelves, which slide in and can be moved around. Have you dropped a screw and wonder where it went? This tool grabs small metal pieces without having to touch them. Screws, nails, bolts, and washers stick instantly, even in hard-to-see spots. You can gather several at once, and it keeps your fingers away from sharp edges. Now let's talk about this oil pan. It comes with 2 adjustable pipes and a funnel to help prevent spills. Its shape works basically for every vehicle, and the wide opening catches every drop. It is cheap too. It costs only $5. I have tried to hold a flashlight while using both hands, but it never worked. This one bends and stays where you put it, so you can focus on the job. It switches between focused, wide, or red light and remembers the last mode. If you want to store multiple bikes in your garage, then Top Shelf has a lift that moves them from the floor up to the ceiling. It uses a steel cable and wall track with a simple push-button controller. Ever finish a ride and think, I already turned off the bike. Why is opening the garage so hard? This small button lets you open or close your garage door from your handlebars. It works with your existing opener and is easy to install. Stop running in your garage. This tray keeps your tools near you. Measuring 20 by 20 inches and just less than 24 inches tall, it glides on 3 wheels and holds up to 30 pounds. Are you tired of pumping spray bottles? Well, then this tool does the work for you. A small motor pushes solution through different nozzles. It makes washing cars easier. The 56-ounce tank and 7V battery last through most single-car jobs.